All right, for those of you who make excuses up as to why you can't cook, why you don't have the time to meal prep, I'm gonna show you how to do it easy. Quick steps, especially in the summertime, because when it's hot, you don't feel like using your stove, you don't feel like using your oven especially. So here's what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to meal prep some rice, some chicken, and some vegetables. Easy. All right, look what I did. I bought a rotisserie chicken, right? Now, I don't feel like prepping up a raw chicken because, again, it's gonna take too long, too much work, and it's summertime. I don't feel like going through that. So I bought a rotisserie chicken. Nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna skin it off. I'm gonna prep it up. You got the vegetables, the frozen vegetables right here that you could just wash it off. Don't even have to cook it because you could put it in the microwave once everything else is cooked. Then you got the rice. Now this is easy. Making rice is 1, 2, 3. Even if you have to make it, doesn't matter. You could buy the packages of rice where you could just put it in the microwave and mix it all together, fine, but simple. So I'm gonna show y'all how this looks after the fact. This is gonna be chopped up, washed off, cooked, all together. Simple as that. And here we have it. Look how simple this is. Look at that. You got the chicken, you got your veggies, and then you got your rice. So for me, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and this took me what, maybe 25 minutes tops. Sometimes you just got to keep it simple. If you never heard that, before, the KISS analogy, it's keep it simple, stupid. Sometimes you just got to do that, keeping it simple. Simple as that. No time, cleanup is fast. Cleanup was easy. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If you like that video, let me know what you think.